Hi, I'm Paulo Costa. I'm 45 years old and I come from Brazil. So I became aware of AriaMedTour company after a long search online, Google and some other search engines, even on YouTube. So I decided to come and give them a try. So I used Iran because first it's affordable than other countries that I've checked. I did all my search and decided to come here because of affordability. I was a little skeptical about coming to Iran, but I had friends that are from here and they made me more comfortable. And now that I'm here, I'm super comfortable. I want to come back and bring my family to visit. Yes, definitely. I'm very satisfied with all the service that AriaMedTour provided. Since when they picked me up at the airport, they were always on time. All the interpreters, all the assistants, everybody was on time. Everybody was so professional. Everybody was so expert on what they were talking about. And I'm really satisfied with their service. I really recommend their service, and I will always recommend their service. As far as COVID, I came here during COVID, the pandemic, but I felt comfortable because everybody was wearing a mask, everybody was following all the protocols, cleaning and keeping everything safe. So I'm very happy about all the safety and the protocols that they follow. Every time since I came in every morning, everybody following protocols. AriaMedTour company I really recommend their service. They're very professional. If you use them, give them a try. You will never regret. I'm here. This is my second day of surgery. I'm very satisfied. All the staffing is very professional. I do recommend them. I guarantee you'll be satisfied. You'll be happy about them.